Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello and welcome. This is Atharva Dorje, student of second year Computer Department and Jheel College of Engineering, Research and Pune. Our project topic is converting hexadecimal number to equivalent BCD. This video is made under the guidance of Professor Tamboli sir and Professor Priyanka Javkar madam. Hexadecimal and BCD in general definitions. The hexadecimal numeral system, often referred or shortened to hex, is a numeral system made up of 16 symbol, which is the base 16. The standard numeral system is called decimal, which has a base 10 and uses 10 symbols from 0 to 9. Hexadecimal uses the decimal numbers and 6 extra symbols. In computing and electronic systems, binary coded decimal or BCD is a class of binary encodings of decimal numbers where each digit is represented by a fixed number of bits, usually 4 or 8. Sometimes special bit patterns are used by a sign or indication, that is error or flow. This is the basic logic to convert from hex to BCD. This is the sum table to convert from 0 to F, from hex to BCD of their equivalent numbers. This is the working of a program to convert from hex to BCD. We have 4-digit hex number whose equivalent binary is to be found. Triple FH, generally we compare triple FH with the decimal number 100000, which is 2710H in hex. If the number is greater than that, we add a DH register. Also, we subtract the same decimal from the given triple FH each time the comparison is made. Accordingly, we compare and then the obtained result is in AX register. Every time, the final result is then presented in register DH, which contains the 5-bit representation of register AX. Finally, we add the result in BX with remainder in AX. Each time we subtract the 10 decimal from AX, we add 10 decimal to BX. In this way, the result is obtained. This is the basic algorithm to convert from hex to BCD conversion, which has been explained before. This is the flowchart for conversion from hex to BCD conversion. Here we start and we do it. So we start and then we load number in AX. Then we compare that AX is greater than a certain number. If that condition is true, we increment DH and subtract some amount of number decimal from AX. Accordingly, the similar patterns are shown and the flow diagram is made until the add reminder in AX to BX, which in return gives us the result in BX, where the register BX then sets the value in AX and the result is displayed in DH and BX. This is the program where we convert from hex to binary conversion code. Here this is the program to convert from hex to BCD. Here we have declared model small, which means it is a small program, and stack 100 for storing 100 bits in the stack. Then there is a dot code part for writing the code, and the following logic is written in assembly programming language. As discussed earlier, the code is written and the logic is applied in the program, and the output is showed in further slides. So this is the actual implementation of that program in Tizen. So this is the actual implementation in TASM, and as you can see the same program is written here and the output is obtained in further slides. So this is the output obtained using TASM. So the output is correct, which is 65535 while when converting, as discussed earlier. These are the steps to run program in TASM. So first we write TASM hex to bcd.asm. It compiles the code or assembles the code. Then all errors are shown, if any. In this case there are no errors, and you can also see that in this program there are no errors and it passes. Then we have to convert it and link it. So t-link convert 1, and then we write convert 1, then it gives the output. Here the same process are applied in TASM software. So here we come to the conclusion part. Hence we made a program to successfully convert from hexadecimal to BCD using assembly programming using TASM. Thank you.